Your Kuva camera has arrived. Open the outer box with a safety knife and safety gloves. Remove the 4 foam inserts. Be sure to save all packing equipment for any potential returns. Now you can open the inner box. Inside you will see the Kuva camera, along with the installation accessories. Grab the anemometer by hand and lift the camera out of the box. Always be sure it is firmly on the ground on its back surface. Now the accessories can be removed for further inspection. Here is a good demonstration on how to safely pick up a Kuva camera. Avoid placing the camera down on its bottom post or on its front visor. Here is the anemometer. It is attached by a cable to the camera. Be sure to never put tension on the cable or have it swing into the camera. This is the PoE power supply box. Now let's look at some of the other accessories that are found in the smaller box. Here is the cellular antenna and the 50-foot Ethernet cable, power box mounting clamps, and a tower top mount. Now let's take a look at the Kuva tower parts. Always ensure the correct number of parts have been supplied.